was in my house one day. Somebody came for Thanksgiving. He shared his Thanksgiving. He showed me the yam, showed me everything. I bring the yam inside. I bring the wine. I was so happy because the testimony was super. And the man said to me, and this is the cash that I have to support the Thanksgiving. He said, this is cash. I said, Jesus, this is the cash. I said, wait, sir. Let me call the man that I cannot take this money. My can be no. When I share it with somebody, I was telling somebody, now this man was, I don't know now. Now, I don't know. So people started saying, oh, because of 1 million kids, give them 1 million, they be no. I say that my mind is telling me that 1 million is too big for me to receive in a man's house. Oh, I'm not having the money. I will carry it and go upstairs. I said, honey, somebody dash me 1 million. Maybe no. So I can hold the money. Come on, onion BBA. And I go straight. So the man said, did you say so that you call your husband? I said, let me call my husband. I live in somebody's house. I called my husband. My husband received the money. I now pray for the man. It's not that I've never seen 1 million. Man, I don't be mad. There is some money that I cannot dash you except my husband says yes. This is me for you. If I need a car, I will not go buy a car. My husband will buy the car. And I will present the gift. My husband will present it in my family. Come to my house since I started my marriage 17 years. It doesn't mean that we don't have. I see it that this big car belongs to a man, that the small one belongs to me. And that's why I have a small car. I can't drive it. If I need it, I will tell him, Oga, please, can drive a motor Abuja Mozu? Or say, why not go? I am not doing it for you to praise me. I'm seeing it. This is what it's supposed to be.
Yes, Mama.
This is what it's supposed to be. You know, I preached the other time. I said this thing. That is not good. And I am not supporting this. But after that, people that has money say, please, now what do you mean? Now I caught the message. But I want to say it again. It's not good. When your husband doesn't have money, you will have money and you buy a land and build a house and tell your husband surprise.